Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Vinnie in Pennsylvania, and this is SL500, isn't it? Yeah, this is a SL500 throttle body ASR model that is repaired and it's been bench tested. Just wanted to show you the readings and the actual unit in operation. So came out pretty nice and cleaned off very well and works just fine. I didn't have to use very harsh chemicals on it, and it came relatively clean. Internally it's very nice. So no problems here. Just going to leave it on the bench for a little bit, and it will be ready to mail out tomorrow on Monday. Today is Sunday, so just wanted to make these videos and leave them on the bench for testing. I have this one and another unit together sitting on the bench. So here I just wanted to show the readings, actual values. So we have the control potentiometer. This is throttle position sensor, throttle pedal kind of position sensor, if you will. This is the throttle angle sensor. So one potentiometer is for the actual lever here, second potentiometer to check the position of the plate, where the plate is exactly. So obviously when we move the lever, and if it is activated electronically as it is right now, we have readings change. So that is the proper operation. Pretty simple. So this is basically, let's leave the lever off just slightly. We see readings change perfectly fine. And also micro switches also flip. There are micro switches inside, so when the throttle is not in idle, then they flip, as you can see. So proper operation, works as intended. The wires were completely destroyed, no insulation left, everything was shorted out like as a bundle, so no good. This readout is always 4.24 to 4.25 ideally. This is, well, ideal pre-reading, pretty much ideal reading. And this one right here, that one, it ranges from 0.4 to 0.6, so we got it like pretty much right there in the middle, so that is fine. Usual range is where it's supposed to be, 0.4 to 0.6, and we're right there at 0.49. Usually I see them around 0.49 all the time though, sometimes 0.46, and sometimes I've seen them as high as 0.60 and change, 0.61, but yeah. Well, anyway, so this is going to be basically all. Just wanted to show the operation. I'll leave it on the bench here so it activates many times, just to test the coil and test it, make sure that it warms up well and does not shut off one hot, because sometimes coils, they don't they can't work for a long time when they heat up. If the coil is faulty, contact can be lost when it heats up, so that's why I wanted to test them like that. Yes, I mean, I know they work and unnecessarily, but that's a test. I want to make sure it's good. Alright, so I'll leave it to that. Cut it quits, and this is basically all. Again, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.